Hello, in this video we will do cabinet doors for the sink. To do that we need to know the dimension of it, so kind of similar thing. So I'll just use line tool this time to get the dimensions, so it to fit with the dishwasher. This will be where the point where the cabinet door will start, so I got the line out of it. And it depends on the size of your dishwasher, so it is like this for me. It may be different for you. And after that I got the top view, so it can be a little more accurate. And let me change it to parallel projection, because it's because it was perspective view, it was a little distorted. So I have that here, and let's measure. I mean, this is not really critical, but it'll be better if it is more accurate. So 2 7/16, so 2.5 approximately. So I'll just use that instead. Here. It was 2.5 inches, right? And from 2.5 inches and like that. And now it is coming out of that counter top space, and it'll be easier to draw. So using rectangle from here to here. So that's good. Control C, again the same process. This one, make the component as cabinet, door, sink. Okay. And over here, as you can see, we have that countertop thickness. So let's do, that was 1 inch, right? And I will do 1.1 inch because you need a little bit of space in between. It will not stuck together. And the bottom 4 inch. Okay, so that is the actual space, actual dimension for the cabinet door. So I'll redraw that. Okay, so we don't really need these. So over here, this is the actual dimension for the cabinet door for the sink area. And at the top, usually, because we cannot really access that area because of the sink and the plumbing, we usually make a kind of fake board or fake drawer. So it looks like there is something, but you cannot really access that. So let's create that, and 2 double door over here. So there are different ways to do that. It really depends on what kind of design you want. So for this one, I'll just have 6 inches and draw a line. The design, I will make it really simple, like 1 inch. Okay, and over here, push-pull 0.5 inches. So that's my design. Your own design is really up to you. You can look up different designs and use the design that goes with your own design concept. So over here, we can create 2 doors over here, but at the center there is a little bit of gap between the 2 doors. If you don't create that, later on it looks like 1 door instead of 2, so you will need to have that detail. So 0.1 inch over here and 0.1 the other way. So that's why what I did over here, and let's draw the line right here, and over here and this side you can do copy and paste, but I kind of lost that one, so cannot really do. I can show you copy paste, how to flip the line using copy paste. I think I can show that later. So this one, let's delete that. So this is one door and this is another. And over here, offset 4 inches. That's the dimension that we used for the other one. Offset 4 inches. And for push pull, let's do double click because it remembers the dimension that was used last time. So that's how it is created, just like that. And now we need to place it on the right spot. So it's right over here, 4 inches above. So let's draw the line. It's easier. So I did that. Maybe I will just use tape measure tool. So go over 4 inches. So that point over there. And this one, I will just delete that because we don't need this anymore. Okay, and this one, move. Get the apparent outline and place right there. Okay, so just make sure it is on the right spot. And you can do that, and I realized like we need the cover on that side because the cover like this, if you don't do that, it'll look empty. So let's get that out so we can create that cover. That is actually the base cabinet side of the base cabinet. So let's create that panel so it looks more real. Okay, so double click that one, and the dimension will be, so it goes this way, and let me draw the line. So it is 2 feet deep, but because we have the board over there with the thickness of 0.5 inch, so we will include that. So 1 foot 11.5 inch. Okay, and going down, so going down you don't have to really measure. I will draw the line. I think it was 3 inch, and this way 4 inch, and we will connect that with that. So it's easier because you have guys. So we did that, and on that side it is the same thing, right? So copy and paste. So it is going, I'll just create this one as a component cover. I'll just say base panel to be more accurate. After that, this point over here will go right there. So I think that is more accurate representation of the design. So that's good. Let's move now. Again, this point over here matches right over here. So the cover, the base panel is created like that, and then it is over. It fits right there. So that's good. The next thing, so this is it. This is how you create the base cabinet for the sink. It looks a little awkward because I changed the view to parallel projection. So let me change that to perspective view so it looks more natural. So that's it.